Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with woltersworld, and today we're here in Finland. And today we're going to talk about our 3 things you need to see and do when you come here to Finland, just to make sure you get the 3 most important things out of the way. And number 1, you've got to go to the capital, Helsinki. Whether you're going to the Ouspensky Cathedral, where you see the icons on the walls, or you go to the starkness of the Helsinki Cathedral itself on Synod Square and taking the architecture, going to the Kaisma, probably one of the best modern art museums in the entire world. It really inspired me to love modern art. Or you go to the Kauppatori, the market square right on the harbor, or having a cafe or a coffee and a korvapusti, a cinnamon roll on the esplanade there. I mean, it's a beautiful city, well worth this. That's one thing you got to see. Second city you have to see when you come here is here in Turku, Åbo. You've got the cathedral behind me, behind the snow. You've got the castle also when you are here to go and explore and learn about the history of Finland in general. You've got the market hall, which is beautiful here. You got the Aura River, which you can go on in the summer times. I mean, it's just a really, really cute town. It's the old capital as well. So those are the 2 cities you really have to see. But the one experience you have to have when you come to Finland is going to sauna. No, not sauna, sauna. They love sauna here. Like, people have them in their homes. They have summer houses in the woods with a sauna that they go butt naked to. Yes, you go butt naked there, though your butt's on a towel when you're in there. And you sit there and enjoy, and then you go jump in the water in the lake afterwards, or maybe go rolling in the snow afterwards. I mean, it's such an incredible experience when you pour that water on the stones and that hotness just bites into you. It is a fantastic experience. It's something you really have to do when you are here. The thing is, your hotel probably has a sauna when you're there. But I want to ask when they might have any times, because they don't actually co-ed sauna. So there might be a men's time and a women's time. So you want to know that. So you make sure you get in there, because the sauna experience is the most important thing you have to do when you come here to Finland. So those are 3 musts. We've got plenty more tips on Finland on our videos, from the don'ts, the love and hates, the shocks, the foods, all kinds of stuff on our website at woltersworld.com. But I just want to tell you these 3 really important things you have to see and do when you're here in Finland, or Suomi. Oh, and a bonus one, get a Keno Sampurlainen at Hesburger. They're my favorite hamburgers in the world.